Good morning, student. Chapter number 3, Human Reproduction. First of all, fertilization and implantation. First, for these ovum cells is produced. Outer side sperm cell enter to the ovum cells to the conjugate new produce from the fertilize. This layer is a zona pellucida parts and cells of corona radiata. What is fertilization? During copulation, coitus, semen is released to the penis. Semen is released to the penis into the vagina. Semen released to the penis into vagina parts. It is a female parts. The motile sperms swim rapidly, pass through the cervix from the female parts, enter in the uterus, and finally reach the ampullary region to the fallopian tube. Means this structure, the semen is released. The semen is released for the vagina and cervix parts, enter to the uterine fundus and uterine cavity. This region. Clear? Next point. The ovum released by the ovary is also transported to the ampullary region. Ampullary region means fertilization take place to the fertilization can occur if the ovum cell and sperm cells are transported to the simultaneously ampullary region. Means sperm and ovum cell transported to the ampullary region. This is the reason to not all copulation lead to fertilization and pregnancy. Means not all copulation means minimum copulation process for the fertilization during the pregnancy. What is fertilization? The process of fusion of sperm and ovum, sperm cells and ovum cells. This is a fertilization. During fertilization, a sperm comes into contact to the zona pellucida layer of the ovum cells and induce the changes the membrane that block entry to the sperm. Means block to the entry to the sperm cells. Thus ensure that only one sperm can fertilize an ovum. Many different types of cells are produced for sperm cells. Only for one cells conjugate to the ovum means fertilized to ovum. The secretion of the acrosome help the sperm enter into the cytoplasma ovum and through the zona pellucida. This layer is a plasma membrane, and this includes completion of meiotic division. First meiotic division and primary oocyte develop. Secondary meiotic division, secondary oocytes is developed. This second meiotic division is also unequal results in the formation of second polar body, and these haploid oocyte cells, it is a nucleus sperm cells is produced to the diploid zygote. Clear? For example, first of all, in this male and female, the female cells chromosomes X and male cell XY. This paragraph example of XX means female and XY means male. In conjugation time period, first female cells to conjugate the male cells, XX means produce female, and this X and this Y produce the male in this region. Clear? Thank you, student.